Cheers everybody, this is Ricardo with you again from Cantinas BZ, a school cafeteria in southern Brazil. It's been 2 or 3 weeks now that I went online asking for your suggestion. I gotta keep reminding myself I gotta look at the camera and not at myself. Anyway, I went online and asking for suggestions, and if you'd be interested in watching some cooking instructions in English, right? Back in 93 to 94, I did an exchange student program where I got to live with the Stevens family. What a loving family in the United States, Utah, Salt Lake City. Gorgeous place. So thanks to you all. If you're watching me right now, I love you all and miss you very much. Anyway, Melissa was my host sister back then. She sent me some pictures of Adam, my brother in the States, doing some waffles for the family. And I said, listen, why don't you send me this recipe? So it would be awesome to make it here at home and make it available for the people I know. So yesterday, out of coincidence, my mom got myself the waffle maker and said, okay, it's gonna happen today. So this is the first time I'm both doing the recipe and doing this instruction in English on the video, okay? So pardon my mistakes. I haven't prepared anything. I didn't write down anything. It's just coming out of my mouth just as we go. So my ingredients are all ready to go. And by the way, in the near future, I'm gonna have an app where you're gonna be able to purchase some of our products. And the idea behind it is that I'm gonna try the recipe today, and you're gonna be able to purchase the dry ingredients from our application, from our app, and adding your wet ingredients from home that you have at your home and doing it yourself for a family. So here we have the dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder, and etc. There we have the vegetable oil and the egg yolks. And back there you can really tell that you have the egg whites, okay? Oh, and by the way, in the cup over there, the white cup, we have the buttermilk. Buttermilk's not very easy to find in Brazil. It's very easy, although, to make it, and I'll show you how as well when you get the recipe. For right now, let's try it out, see what it comes out like, and I don't know, I hope you enjoy it, and let me know your feedback, okay? Let's see how it goes. Okay, so again, we're improvising here. First thing, we're gonna mix these two together. Vegetable oil, egg yolks. I'm gonna add in the buttermilk. Done. Moving on, we're gonna add the dry ingredients. This is the mix you would be getting at home, okay? You're gonna be having this recipe available to you, and you're only gonna have to add your own wet ingredients that you have your pantry at home into it. So we're gonna do this. Dried ingredients into the wet ingredients. Give it a quick stir. You can use this, the whisk, right? To mix it up together. Okay. This is good enough. Then I'm done with this. Now we're gonna have the the egg whites into the mixture, and we're gonna fold it in. Fold it in. You can use a rubber spatula and go from the inside into the outer side, like this. You don't want to beat it, okay? Because this incorporates air into the mixture. It gives volume, fluffiness, okay? From the center into the outside. Center to the outside, like this. And at the same time, you're spinning your bowl, like this. You're gonna be gentle at this tap, okay? I can already feel it becoming way fluffier. Perfect. Just in case, I had a little flour over here on the side. I'm not gonna have to use it because apparently the texture is pretty good. But just in case, I had some flour, okay? Not gonna be necessary though. The recipe seems to be perfect. Then we're gonna move on to the waffle maker. It's already on, warming up.